Hello and welcome to Michael Pepper Tech. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra in green. Let's dive into it. Here we have the box. Shows all the different colors you can see there. All the different colors for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra are on the back, or on the sides here. Nothing really on it. It says Samsung there. Apart from that, there's nothing really on this. Information on the back that I'm not going to show you because that has vital information as far as like IMEI and all that stuff on the bottom. So we'll bring it around back. Get these pull tabs torn off there. You're getting this reaction along with me. Wow. That is quite something. Wow. Let's get this sticker off from here. Take a close look at that color. Wow. That is quite something. Depending on the light, it might look like it's a little off-white, but I can definitely tell that's green, and I am red-green colorblind, so that is interesting. As we raise it up here, turn it around the front, I'll put this down here temporarily. Anything else in the box? In the front here, we just have this pouch, this kind of envelope here. It's got terms and conditions, a cable, and the SIM card removal tool. I will pack that all up. I usually leave that packed up because I have plenty of cables and SIM card removal tools. Just put this to the side here, get the packaging out of the way. Quite the sound, and I will get this booted up. Hopefully it has some charge. I can take a look at it here. You'll see as it boots up. Let's get a closer look at some of the stuff here. The sides. Kind of a gray color on the sides. And the bottom there. The top has the couple holes for microphones. You have the earpiece for the speaker. Another speaker is down here. They did a slit style. This really reminds me of a Note 10 Plus. With a little bit more, instead of more rounded, these are almost more flattened sides. Let's see what the S Pen looks like. Okay, so it matches the sides in kind of that gray color. And let's get the first boot here. If I have any charge. Hopefully I do. Let me know what you guys think of this color down below. Let me know your thoughts on the S24 Ultra, if you picked one up and what color you guys got. We'll get into this first boot here and see how long it takes. It shouldn't take too long. You'll see just the boot animation there. Wow. Yeah, you can definitely see, because I got some lights there, that is not very reflective at all. Like, it reflects the light a little bit. But that is the first boot. It's got 40%. I'm going to get this set up, and of course, I will be back with more content on the S24 Ultra. Got some case videos coming up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For other content you may like, check out over here. For other S24 Ultra content, check here as the case videos come in. Thanks for watching.